Hey. Hey, yo, Sap, what's good, bruh? This man's kinda high out here. Hey, yo, the flyest motherfucker in the room, yeah, you know it's me. Bitches hating on him cause he started out here locally. Hopefully, I'll be at the top soon. For now, I'm at my house, on the couch, watching cartoons. You know how much you love it when you get it in abundance. Give a fuck about a budget when you always be the subject of discussion. But it's nothing when you stop and just say fuck it. Cause you walking out in public and you hear him talking rubbish. I just wanna ride through the city in a cutlass. Find a big butt bitch somewhere, get my nuts kissed. That's the way it goes when you party just like I do. Bitches on my dick that used to brush me off in high school. Take over the world when
Gold class fireball.
Yeah, fireball.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy, chill.
It's just fireball.
It's just fireball. Take a swig.
You're right. It is just fireball. No bubble.
Too loud.
It's already on.
I know, I'm trying to turn it down.
And on today's episode, we're buying another pit bike.
Another pit bike.
Spending more money.
Let's go.
We are at Ride Motorsports. We're here to buy another pit bike. Yeah, no, that thing's pretty sick.
Fun bike, any sort of road bike. Get at the fucking stoplights and like.
God. We're buying another bike. We're gonna do some riding today. Dude, this thing would be so much fun though.
It would be, but you're looking at the
Actually, dude, I only ride Raptors. God, this beast. Is that the rear brake then? Chase is going mud bogging. Damn.
Yeah. I've heard this.
Oh, what?
Let's see how many credit cards I can rack.
Yeah, this has got you all over it. Paperwork's all done.
Let's roll, baby.
Just rack that credit card up. This is it.
Like number 2, because the first one was stolen by Chase.
Don't blow the fork seals. We got the package secured. We're gonna go break her in on the pitter track.
I mean, you can say secure, but I'm the one that strapped it down.
It ain't going nowhere. Did you say it?
No, I need to.
Oh. You gonna build a motor?
Let's do
He likes buying a brand new dirt bike, clapping it out, and then buying another one because it's clapped out.
This thing's fast as fuck. I can't lie.
So it's been 5 minutes and Chase is already switching out the bars. We're gonna go on a nice little rip in the X3. Can I do a venti shaken espresso with oat milk and brown sugar?
Yeah, anything else?
So Jacob bought the wrong grips. He bought them for a quad, and now they're trying to take.
Your brother bought them. I just handed them the wrong ones.
Now they're trying to pull it off.
Hey, boy.
Idiot.
Welcome back to another Dirt Cowboys video.
Another Dirt Cowboys. Here, I'm in my Can-Am.
I got a 10 mil right here for you, buddy. See this? I'm not.
It's his mating call.
God's vice grip.
Everybody's getting ready to ride.
I'm gonna break out the new Dirt Cowboys t-shirt for this day.
Oh shit. We got merch. So we're doing some mock trials on some new merch.
Hey, can my shirt so my titties just not hanging out?
Yeah. Testing out some new clothing that we're thinking about. Yeah. First logo. Just kind of messing around. Oh boy. You take that thing off any sweet jumps?
What? No.
Ostrich?
Genuine ostrich.
Oh.
Genuine
Oh.
ostrich.
Oh my god.
We'll keep the receipt hidden.
Oh my.
Hide your wives before I swing them around the hardwoods.
You got the $10 off.
Not too shabby. Got the boys on the bikes today. Dude, hit the fucking inside table. What are you doing?
Hundreds have hit it.
Yeah.
With no brakes.
Dude.
Almost died.
The first time, I'm still trying to figure it out.
All right.
I did the same thing the first time I ever jumped
Let's be realistic though. You eat shit on that, you're gonna get scraped up. That's it.
Yeah, no, for real.
Seriously.
Oh!
Okay. Jacob knows how to jump a fucking dirt bike.
That's true.
Like, you know what to do in the air. You're not gonna fucking or fucking.
You like those BBR bars on the PGR? I like these too.
This is street legal, but the pit bikes are not. We are gonna go to the gas station on the pitters, and we'll see if we get pulled over. Should be fine. That was interesting.
It smells like oil.
Yeah? Are you that low?
Yeah, I think I might have pinched it too.
Okay. What do we want here, boys? Do we want chocolate or a birthday cake?
He's got.
Dude, this is not for me. This is for the girlfriend. Okay. Rachel likes it.
Oh, I'm surprised you guys aren't getting ice cream. Oh, you got ice cream? Nice.
Corn dog.
Corn dog? What the fuck? So, the last time we were riding pitters, Dylan here sent it a little too hard. And, yeah. So, as you can tell, he wrecks a lot. He wrecked in our last video, he wrecked here. He just sent it just a little too hard, bud.
Well, that looks like a hospital visit in itself.
When we were, so real story, we were building the track and Dylan had blown his bike up previously and had been sitting here for about 6 months. So I grabbed it with the Mini and kind of just shoved it in between those trees, and there she stayed. So every time we blow a bike up, we're just gonna find a tree and throw her in there. Just been here all day watering.
Please call 911. I don't know any of these people, and yeah, they've only given me fruit snacks and Coors Light, and I've been sitting here watering all day. Please call 911.
Hey,
My parents are probably
you just be
worried
grateful
about
we're not feeding you Rolling Rock, all right? Oh my God. How the fuck does that happen?
Oh, what the?
Uh,
Oh, wait, no. Here, Dylan, pull on it.
Yeah.
go, Brady, go. Did I miss it? Did I miss a Biff? God damn it. We got Chaz Cooley in the house.
Turn this way.
Bausch.
Bowser.
It's Bowser.
Sounds like shit.
Yeah. You can tell that Jacob has an addiction to nicotine.
Oh, you're gonna point it out.
Graphics right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, Jewel, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. I need.
Is that rain here too?
Yeah. But anyways, Jewel, I need you to sponsor me. I need some fucking menthol 5%. I'm running low.
Make some mango pods just for you.
Dude, if you make mango pods, I'd do some shit for mango pods.
Which fat cunt stole me honey?
Like what?
I'm not gonna
like
say
what?
I'm not gonna say
like what? Come on. Come on. I'll beep it out.
No, you won't.
I'll beep it out. No, I will.
You didn't even blow my tits out at Dunefest, so no.
No, I'll beep it out.
No, you won't. I know you won't. I know you, and you wouldn't.
All right, so we're at dinner, and Braden's about to chug this fucking rum and coke. Straws?
Yeah.
Sissy sticks. Okay. Come on, big boy. You can suck harder than that.
It's too cold.
Atta girl. We got the birthday boy over here. Chase Rogers.
Yeah, man, we're out here.
Right here.
Drinking water.
He's on call, so he's drinking water. He's a good man. Elizabeth is not drinking water. She was supposed to be the designated driver.
I am the designated driver.
Jesus fuck.
Says her bottle of juice.
Yeah, bottle of Vouv.
Yeah, now eat it with your butt. So Jacob over here has my phone, Snapchatting whoever he wants. He's got free reign.
Oh God.